Good day, everyone. I welcome you all to another plumbing system design episode. In our last section, I demonstrated and elaborated on buildings that the architect has already provided us with the interior design. So, for today's video, we'll be proceeding to a project that the architect doesn't design for the interiors. Start with the first consideration to determine the kind of bedroom to be using, because as I explained earlier, we have a full, likewise a three-quarter and half. But in a nutshell, for a full bedroom, it will be having a shower, likewise a bath or jacuzzi, likewise the WHB and the WC. For a three-quarter, it won't be having the water bath or the jacuzzi, and for half bathroom, it will be having only the WC and the WH. So to proceed, we need to take the dimension of this bedroom so that I'll be able to know what to put in it. So here is it by clicking on dimension F3, likewise snapping. So we have 1.5 here and 2 meter. So ordinarily with this dimension, is evident enough that it can only be a three-quarter. Let's probably assume we'll be having our shower here. L enter. Let's assume we'll be having our shower like this. Let's take the dimension of the shower F3. Dimension F3, 600 is the minimum, so we have 629, so we can have our shower here. That means let's reduce it by 29. So we can have our shower at this side, and we can have our WC here. So it's always good to have our WC close to the window. So we'll be having our WC here and probably our WHB somewhere around this axis. So let's proceed to the design. And as it is generally known, MEP design is what? Legend based. So let's copy our legend, CP, enter F8. So coming over here now, we'll be having our WC here. Yep. So moreover, generally MEP design is NTS, not to scale. But in plumbing system, you need to take note of some basic dimension so that the installation can be workable on site. So in that case, let's take the dimension of our WC here. So we have 700, which is big enough. So let's copy our WC to CP and repeat the same process. So our WC will be at this end, RO. Enter F3. So let's place it here. Having done that, let's assume our shower, it can even be a semi walk-in, because we have walk-in and open shower, but we have some semi open shower at home that do have a glass partition. So because of that, let's assume it's an open shower. CP, enter. To be at the center like this, although ordinarily it will be at this end. It's okay at this end, right? So I can have our drain here. For this bedroom now, or our WC or toilet, we've specified the WHP, WC and the shower. So let's proceed to our kitchen. For kitchen, it's more preferable to have our zinc very close to the window too. So come to our legend. So we have different type of zinc. So you will be the one to specify it. Please just say single bowl because we are only having a single wash here and a single drain. Sometimes we do have a double bowl so that we are having two places. And sometimes we might even be having a double drain, but this is a single one. So CP. So as the engineer, you'll be the one to specify the one they'll be using. Okay. So for this our zinc now, before we proceed, let's take the dimension all over. F3 at the end to end is 1.1. Okay, still normal, still okay. So that means our zinc works like this. So after then, let's proceed to the first floor here. On our first floor, we have almost the same process. We have our WC taking dimension F3 2.2 2.0 rather. Two by two. That means this will definitely be a full WC. So let's repeat the same process. Let's come from here. Here is our WC. Copy. So let's assume our WC will be here. Having our WC here, 2 by 2. Okay. So since we have our WC, let's copy again. So I'm using spacebar as copy. That's why it's more easier because that was the last operation I performed. So here, after then, what will we be having our bit? 2 meter, 2 by 2. So let's our bat here. Let's take the dimension. Bat is the minimum bet you can have based on the standard dimension I showed is 1.5 in our last class. So we have a 0.45 here. So our bat can stay. So here's our bath. So we have bath, we have jacuzzi, any of the two. So let's just use any. Just that jacuzzi is more expensive. So let's place our bath here. Okay, so 1.5, right? 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. So we need to increase this. Let's see. 1.1. 1.11. So let's take the dimension all over. Okay, so this is our bit. So probably let's assume it will be at this side. Let's place it towards this side. So MI Y enter. So this is our bath here. So let's move our washing hand base in WHB MI Y. Okay, so like this. How about our shower? So our shower, we can even have a close or an having shower here. So if we have our shower like this, our shower can be here like this. Sorry. Let's still do another sum of modification. So let's rotate this RO again. Select object RO, enter. What if we have it like this? Let's assume we have it here. Okay. And we have our WC here. Does it work? Not at all. Doesn't work. Control Z. So what this signifies is that our jacuzzi can't stay here. The way the thing keeps dangling. But can still have it like this. Like this. And we have our shower here. So let's put this one here. So I believe this design is somehow better. So we've been able to ordinate our fixtures for this our toilet. Although as a professional, I might not conform with this our ordination, but let's just proceed to the other WC to ascertain our training. So we still have another WC here. We repeat the same process. CO, copy, and we place let's place our WC here. By placing our WC here, that implies we might be having, let's see if we can have one by one here. F3 1000. That means we can have our one by one here. So we can have our shower here. MI. Y enter. So having our shower here, our WC here. So it's always good to be having our washing basin close to the entrance, or probably to be projecting the entrance directly. But prior to that, let's see if we can have a bit here too. Let's take the dimension. Our dimension from here 1.6. Okay. So what if we have our, let's see, what if we have our bait here too? Let's just put jacuzzi first. Bait here. Okay. We have our bait here. And we have our shower here. Okay. So what if we have it like this, and probably we have this here and this one here. Okay. We can have our washing basin at the back of the door then. So it's called a post stand. So let's rotate RO enter rotate. I believe this is a bit better. L enter. Sorry. M enter rather. And we have it there. I believe this walkway is enough for our shower. Except if you are designing for a luxury project that you'll be having a large number of jacuzzi. Ordinarily, we only do have jacuzzi in our master bedroom. So let's change this one to bath. Delete. So we'll come back to our legend and copy our bath. CP. So it's just an alcove single-ended bed. So we have almost 4 types of beds too. So here is it. Yep, that's good. And we have our shower here, we have our washing basin here. So this is how so you repeat the same process for the master bedroom. Okay, I already have it here. We have our washing basin. We even have our mop season. What is this? So okay, yeah, our mop service basin. So we have our mop service basin here. So we do use it as a laundry place in case you want to wash clothes or your panties. It will serve as the general drain, and you can create your bath here. And after then, you have your washing basin here. So this is just a compendium video. In our next class, I will be explaining about. So in our next class, rather, okay. So this is just a compendium video, and our next class I will be designing for the interior design, interior water distribution. Keep tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.